The Joint Comprehensive Plan of Action JCPOA Joint Commission meeting resumed at Vienna on Tuesday, with the lifting of sanctions on Iran and nuclear implementation measures at the top of the agenda. The meeting has drawn worldwide attention as delegates from the United States joined the talks to save the nuclear deal, which was struck in 2015 but paralyzed by U.S. withdrawal in 2018. The U.S. and the Iranian negotiators were not supposed to meet face-to-face, but a shared diplomacy approach was adopted with the intensified help of the coordinators. Wang Qun, Chinese envoy to United Nations and other international organizations in Vienna, said after the meeting that China supports the Joint Commission efforts to set up two expert-level groups, one on sanctions lifting and nuclear implementation, while the other on proximity talks with the United States. China hopes the two groups can make the progress as soon as possible, he said. China continues to unswervingly uphold the JCPOA, Wang said, urging all parties to increase their sense of urgency, seize the current opportunities, and push the JCPOA back on track through fair and reasonable negotiations.